In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from expert option. Now, the first thing you want to do here, once you're signed into your account, you must have some balance on your real account, okay? So without that, you won't be able to do it. Now, once you have some balance, go to finances here on the left-hand side and click on withdrawal down here at the bottom right, okay? Then what you have to do is you have to select the withdrawal method. So these are all the available ones. Click on the one you want to use, and then you will have to type in the amount you would like to withdraw. And then also the card number in case the card is what you're using. But for some other things like PayPal here, you don't actually have to because on the next step, you'll be able to basically connect it, okay? Now, after you type in the amount and of course choose the method, you can just click on new request over here and the request is going to go through and then you'll be able to basically set up your withdrawal method and actually withdraw from your account. Now, for me, it says entered amount exceeds balance. That's because I don't have any balance right now. But if I had like $100, I'd be able to withdraw that no problem using whichever method I chose over here. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.